Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for the full stack developer series. And this video we will continue from the last video for the project HelloWorld Sprint JPA. And in this video we will create more API for the product, like get a single product by ID, create a product into the database, update and delete the product. Alright, we will continue. We will start from the product service. Now open the interface of the product service and we create now we will create a method for get a product, a single product. Get product by ID. Sorry, this is a interface. So, and we also have a parameter for the ID, is integer ID, and we also have a method for creating a product. Void create product with a product parameter. And we also create a method for the update, a product, update product, and receive also a product. And the last one is delete a product with the ID. And now go to the class of product service and implement on the method. Now for get product by ID, we just return the repository file by ID, and we put the ID here. And because this method return you see an optional product, so we need to call the method get to return the product. And then create product, also use the repository and call the save method and put the product here. And for the update repository, update is a special one because the JPA repository doesn't have a method named something like update. So but we can do that by the method save. Okay, when you create a product, you we don't put the ID for the product and we can create a new one. But if we put an ID and this ID is existing in the database, so the method save now will be change its behavior to update the existing one. Okay, the last one is delete product, repository call delete and delete by ID. Just put the ID here. Alright, you can go back to the controller and add some. Now we also have a get. Okay, and this get will have an extra value with the ID and public product. Get product by the ID, and we will receive this from the path variable. Path variable with the name is ID in ID. Alright, let me repeat again about the ID here. You see the path variable is the variable come from the path here, and you need to put the name here is same with the ID with the name from the value here. Okay, so they are the same. If you change it, it will not work properly. Okay, and here just return the product service, get product by ID, and add the ID here. And we will do all the API at the same time, and then we will take them. Alright, and then we have the method for creating. Yes, for creating we will put the pose, okay, a pose mapping, and the method name create product, and we will put the data inside a body part. So we will use the request body annotation here with the product product form. Okay, and okay, product form is yeah, not by saying, so just product. And here we just call the product service create product with the product. And last, not last, we also have update. Update, we change it to use the put mapping and change the method to update. Alright, here we update the product. And the last one is delete mapping. And the delete mapping, we also get a request body with the production, and I think we can change it to use the link and stack. Okay, we use an ID and put into the mapping here, and now we just get the using the pass variable with the name equal ID in ID. And now here we just delete the product with the ID. Alright, we can run the project now with the Maven Spring Boot run. Then open the Postman. Now let's check the product by ID. Just send. Yeah, we doesn't have the product with the ID 1. Just change it to 2. Okay, we have the ID here, the product with ID 2. In case we don't have the ID in the database, you need to change a little bit in the file by ID here. Okay, you can see here this can return a no value. So in this case, you need to change a little bit. If the value is null, you need to return another data response, maybe. Okay, maybe we will handle this in some next video. We will talk about this later. Alright, so just test the another API for the delete product. Now I will set the ID 2 and send. Yeah, successfully. We can check the data to by calling the API get product list here, and now it doesn't have the product with the ID 2 anymore, just stock from 3. Okay, for the add product, we will add a product with change it a little bit. Product added by string data JPA. For the body, okay, send it and go to the product, call again, scroll down. Yeah, we have a product with the name product added by string data JPA. And for the update product, now we don't put the ID here like this, but we add the ID inside the body. ID, we put ID 3. Okay, 3 now. Update by string data JPA, and let's send it. Alright, go to the product list, get again, and now you see the ID 3 now have the new name update by string data JPA. Alright, the last one, I know we don't call the last one because we have called the delete product before. Okay, so that's all for all the method for this example. It's very easy, right? So in the next video we will talk about the definition of the string data JPA in detail. Okay, and if you have any question, please comment below, and if you like the video, please click on the button like and subscribe channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.